Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. And wow, you are going to be, okay, I don't even know what to say because I say this all the time, but this one's awesome. Are you ready? First, we have a fold it that says joy. But it also comes with the word choose. So you could say joy for like Christmas, or you could just say choose joy for like an inspirational card to send to someone. And when you see the samples, you're just gonna fall in love, let me tell you. So joy you could be using a lot of different ways. Also, my friends, this also includes the stitching dies for the inside if you want, optional. So that's optional for you, okay? Love that, joy. And I have samples, don't worry. Then we have our medium box it. Now I know this looks like nothing, right? I know it looks like nothing, but it is so you can take our fold it dies and make them into little boxes. So here's one, here's one. So this is a smaller size. Here's our cute little gnome, and I'm gonna show you one more in just a minute, but there's our cute little gnome. So sometimes the big box it that everybody loves, that like I took it on, I'm pretty sure I took this one on HSN, sells out all the time. It turns any fold it into a box. But some of our fold its are a little bit smaller, especially our A1 fold its are a little too small for this big one. Well, then people requested a mini version. So we came out with this one. This is a mini version, perfect for regular die cuts. So like our little polar bear that's on ice skates, you could use this little one, right? So then we came out with a medium one. So you can see the size differences here, right? You can see that, let's put the bottoms all to the bottom here. So you can see the size differences depending on what size you want to make or what size fold it you're going to use. And so these three are perfect examples of using the medium size, The other two are also available. So those are so adorable. Last but not least, oops, one that is very, very special to my heart. It is the last release we will be using for our dog Cookie. It's the last one we will ever be releasing using Cookie. And this was in the works long before she passed, so we have to do it. It is Cookie running with a sweater. Now, Cookie running with a sweater is a little fun, extra fun, because this is a fold it, because the bows are separate, so you could have a girl doggy or no bow doggy. You have extra eyes and a nose over here, so you can just glue it right on top if you want to. And you have this fun little sweater. Now, when I show you some of the samples, you were just gonna fall over. Let me just grab one sample really quick because I wanted to show you the joy first. But look at how dang cute little Cookie is. Cutest dog in the world. I will live by that for the rest of my life. Cutest dog in the world. But this is exactly Cookie. And she is just running, going somewhere, having fun. So I'm going to show you more in just a second. But let's look at the joy first, because we always need to choose joy. Am I right? So here's joy for Christmas. Open it up, joy to the world. Love it. Here's one that says choose joy. And this one, I'm sorry, this one has the wrong choose on it. So I'm not going to show you that one because I don't want you to get confused. Sorry, that's my fault. Oh, and that one's my fault too. So we did the choose a little smaller because it looks better smaller. So here's one that says choose joy. Here's one without the word choose, just joy, right? Ooh, here's a fun one with our you little puppy dog. Choose joy. Dog, you know, with a dog around, you can always only be happy, right? Oh, here's a fun one on a 5x7 card base. Choose joy. Look at that. Joy looks like it's dancing, doesn't it? I may not always be there with you, but I will always be there for you. And that's sayings for Posy. I love that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Okay, I got to move those because I have more samples. The design team went crazy with this one. Then we have a fun one, a citrus looking one. This is the orange slice from the drink cup and the choose joy folded and the A2 shaped card folded. Look at that. Happy birthday. So it says joy and it says birthday and it's a shaker using our shakers. And look at that. Hope your birthday is as sweet as you. Then we have a cute Christmas, choose joy. Gorgeous. Ooh, here we have another Christmas on a 5x7. Look how amazing that looks on a 5x7. It just takes up the whole enchilada, right? Stunning. This is on our decal edge 5x7 card base. You need the larger machine for this, but it's totally worth it. Look at that joy. Cute little bells over there. Look at that. May your Christmas be wrapped in love and sprinkled with joy. Dun, 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 dun. Cute little candy cane stencil. Oh yeah, that was one of our fold-its. Now, let's look at Cook. Are you ready, guys? I'm ready because she is absolutely the cutest dog. I'm telling you, she was the cutest dog ever. So there's a cute one. And I love how the design team made most of them in pink because, you know, pink's my favorite color. There's another one. Here's a cute one that says Cookie on the side right there on her little sweater. So look at how fun these are, you guys. Totally different. Now, you need to know, Cookie does not have to be a white dog. You make Cookie any color you want. Our design team happened to make them all white just because of my Cookie. But you can make Cookie any color you want. She can look like a Shih Tzu. She can look like a, there's all those little tiny dogs. She could look like any type of little dog, right? Here's a cute little one using felt. Absolutely love it. Puppy love, it says. Here's one on an A2 size card base. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that. This is using the rounded corner card base. May your Christmas be merry and your new year be bright. And look at her cute little Christmas sweater. I love it. And last but not least, this is the knock your socks off one. This is using our medium box it. Remember, this is using the medium box it that I just showed you. And see, it's a little box, so it stands, so you can put little goodies in there. There's the box. Whoops, it looks squashed there. Hang on, let me fix it. Got squashed in mailing a little bit. So there's the little box standing up. Look at this though. It's also a card. Look at her cute sweater. Okay, that sweater, just that alone is absolutely adorable. We're gonna open this up. Happy birthday, you are so doggone awesome. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. So this is the last cookie we will be releasing. Just a heads up. All of our items, my friends, the first 24 hours are on our website. All of these items will be on flash sale. What does that mean? That means we take our everyday price that's low and we make it a flash sale. It's only the first 24 hours it's on the website or until it sells out, whichever is first. Now, club members, not only do you pay the everyday low price, then you get the flash sale, then you get the club discount. It's like extra discounts. I know, isn't that amazing? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and get these items quick. The first 24 hours, they're on flash sale. If they're not on flash sale, oh, you gotta get in on those flash sales. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.